Welcome to Lesson 2 of how to create your own custom images with software you probably already have and know how to use. I'm Jacquelyn Lynn, a business writer, inspirational author, and blogger. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to create your own customized images using presentation software such as PowerPoint, OpenOffice, or Google Slides. You'll start with a basic slide, add your text, logo, and any additional graphics. Then export the slide as a JPEG file and use it on your website, your blog, social media, and even in presentations. Let's go through it step by step. Step 1. Open your preferred presentation software. I work in PowerPoint because I use Microsoft Office. This technique will also work in OpenOffice Presentation and the Google Slides app. If you're using one of the other free or paid presentation products on the market for the PC and Mac, you'll have to experiment with these steps to see how they work for you. Also, be aware that the commands I'm going to explain may be called by different names in different programs, and the command itself may move to a different location within a program based on the version you're using. Now, step 2. Set the size of your slide. The size depends on how and where you plan to use the image you'll create. In most cases, a standard landscape size, which is 4 by 3, will work, but you may want a square or vertical image depending on what you're creating it for. Your slide size options will usually be under the Design tab. Step 3. Insert a picture. Choose a picture you have the rights to use, either something you've produced yourself or a stock image you've purchased a license for. The image should either relate to the text or be neutral. For example, if your blog is about improving workplace productivity, don't use a picture of a tranquil forest to illustrate it. Use an image that adds to the content and helps keep the reader focused, not one that distracts from the primary message. Click on the Insert tab and choose the picture option. Adjust the picture size based on what you want your final image to look like. If you're using the picture as a background, you may have to use the white sizing handles to expand it to cover your slide. If you plan to put text around rather than over the picture, you may have to reduce the size. Take care when you're resizing an image that you maintain the ratio and don't distort it. If you're using FaithWorks images for impact, the pictures are already in place. Step 4. Add your branding information. This could include your company name, logo, website URL, social media handles, or other contact information. Insert your logo the same way you insert any picture. For text, choose the text box option under the Insert command, click on the slide to create a text box, and enter your information. It's a good idea to be consistent with where and how you place your logo and other branding information in all your images. Keep it essentially the same size in proportion to the overall image and put it in the same position on the image. You may have to adjust it slightly to accommodate the background, and that's okay. Just remember that varying logo sizes and random placement can project the impression of carelessness. Step 5. Add your text. Use a text box or boxes to add the main information you want in the image. We'll discuss formatting the text for maximum impact in the next lesson. Step 6. Save your image. Click on File, then on Save As. You'll be prompted for a location. Choose the folder where you want to store your final images. Under Other Formats or Save As type, choose JPEG. Replace the default file name with your individual file name and click Save. We'll discuss naming your files in Lesson 4. When you click Save, a dialog box asking which slides do you want to export will pop up. Click just this one. This is particularly important if you use a master presentation file with standard image backgrounds and templates, or if you have more than one slide in the presentation file. Your image is now ready to use. In Step 3, I mentioned FaithWorks Images for Impact. This is a product we developed from our own need for images for our blog, social media, and books. FaithWorks Images for Impact are beautiful, high-quality photographs already sized and formatted in PowerPoint, ready for you to customize with your own logo, URL, and other text. Each Images for Impact collection includes 5 sets of original images in themes that will support a variety of messages. You'll get anywhere from 60 to more than 100 original photographs in each collection at a cost as low as 25 cents per image. You'll also get complete instructions and access to detailed tutorials that demonstrate the process of creating your own images. To find out more, visit faithworksimages.com. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to format your text for maximum readability.